This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, biggest selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below. How you doing, guys? It is June 26, 2018. This one here, I'm going to do a quick little video. I got my truck back today, and the thing was still smoking. You know, smoking a lot more than when I brought it in there. And the guy says, "Well, it's full of oil in the exhaust, so run it for a day, and it should clear." So I did run the truck. I did some calls today and ran the truck, and the thing was just chooching like crazy. You know, at the end of the day, I went out there and looked, and I mean, it was oil spitting out the exhaust. I had like a 3-inch puddle under the exhaust out after it was idling for half an hour. I mean, that thing was just flipping, pushing oil out. So obviously that twin turbocharger we put in there was a bad one, because there's oil going to the turbocharger. So I had to take it back to the guy. So I switched all my tools over to my pickup truck. I'm gonna start working on my pickup truck. I can't be down. I've been down for more than 2 weeks. So I told him, you better get this thing next day here and get this thing in there because I need my truck. So I had to take it back to the guy. I mean, big money for the turbocharger, twin turbocharger. Wait till you see. I put some pictures in it, in the video in the end here, what it looks like, and it's just what a shit show. So bear with me, guys. You know, if my videos, I don't post one video a day, because I have a big truck problems. I mean, I've been down for over 2 weeks without a truck, and I get it back, and it's worse than when I brought it in there. I mean, what a shit show. Anyway, I got a couple of pictures of, I was going down the road, and I was filling up the whole road with smoke from the exhaust because it was blowing oil out. Unbelievable. Well, there's an oil line that goes to the twin turbo to oil it. So if that O-ring is bad in there, it's dumping oil right into the exhaust, and that's what's happening now. I mean, this thing's worse than the one I had in there. Brand new. Just because it's new don't mean it's good. But anyway, I'll throw you some pictures, and just bear with me, guys. So I might not have. I'm working on a pickup truck, and I'll do what I can. You know, it's not like working on a big truck, but I'll get by. Anyway, thanks for hanging in there, and you know, once I get my truck up and running and fixed properly, you know, I'll do videos every day. I mean, I get a ton of videos, but right now I ain't got much going on. I'm working on my pickup truck, trying to survive here. You know, if you start a business, you know, this happens to you and you're a one-man show just starting out and you got to pay bills, you're in trouble. I mean, not good. All right, check out these pictures. Brand new turbocharger, blowing oil right out. Brand new one. No good. No good. This is what the twin turbo looks like. That's the exhaust part. Here's the intake, so the motor's not bad. That's the old one. So, got that thing, I quit the unit. So the new one's bad. Unbelievable. That's the exhaust part. There's the intake. So if the motor was bad, that would be all full of oil. The new one's like dumping oil right in the exhaust. You see, there's an oil line right there that comes in.